Wise Men, Silver Kids Land, Unit 2 Reading, Session 1. Hello, this is Mr. Shi again. I hope you are all doing well. I will be reading a story. It's a continuation from last lesson. Also, please listen carefully. This is Jerusalem. It is a city. 3 wise men arrived here looking for the special baby king. This is King Herod. He was a bad man. And that's him there, King Herod. The king wanted to see them. And by them, they mean the 3 wise men, Casper, Balthasar, and Melchior. The king said, "Why did you come to Jerusalem?" The 3 men told him, "We saw the star. It means the Elohim's son. The Messiah is born." The Messiah, the king wondered. "When you find the baby Messiah, come back here. I too want to worship him." Oh, but he was lying. What is King Herod doing? He is studying. Why is he studying? He is studying because he wants to know what Messiah means. He is studying the old stories in the Bible. Messiah is the son of Elohim, and Messiah is the true king of the whole world. King Herod was not happy. He didn't want the true king because he wanted to be the king of Israel and do whatever he liked. So he decided to kill all the boys who was younger than 2 in the country. King Herod is a bad man. Poor babies. Poor people in Israel. The 3 wise men continued their journey, but they didn't know where to look. And one day, a great shining star appeared. 3 men followed that star. The great shining star took 3 wise men to a little town called Bethlehem, and in a small shabby house, among sheep, cows, and horses, they found him, the King of Kings. Do you know the baby's name? Let's ask. What is his name? His name is Yeshua. The 3 wise men brought him presents. This is Melchior. He is the youngest. Here you are, Yeshua, the son of Elohim. This is your gold. Let's give the present to Yeshua. Everybody say, "Here you are."
Here you are.
This is Casper. He is the oldest. Here you are, Yeshua, the son of Elohim. This is your Mir. Everybody say, "Here you are."
Here you are.
This is Balthasar. He is older than Melchior. He is younger than Casper. Everybody, let's say it together. Here you are, Yeshua, my Lord and my King. Here is your frankincense, myrrh, gold, and frankincense. They are all very expensive. Special gifts for the special baby. This is the end of the story, but let's all say this to the baby Yeshua. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Today we finish our lesson here, but please try your alphabet worksheets. So thank you. If there's any questions, please ask the Vincent teachers. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.